Alright, this morning we have a super fast video, which is, suppose we're given a problem where we have two servers and one of them is mirrored to the other, and we want to have a connection string which recognizes that mirror. So just in case, let's say our server dev01 fails over to dev02, we want it to recognize that in the connection string. It's very useful for SSIS packages, PowerShell, you name it. Alright, so let's look at a connection string really fast, or an example of one. And I believe this is from one of my test databases. Here we go. So let's say that's what a connection string usually will have: a server, a database, and then security features. Sometimes it'll have a username and password. And there's actually a missing semicolon in this one, so I'll get to update that as well. All right, so we're going to update this table. And this is going to be here. So I'm going to update this connection string, which hits my other server. Okay, and we're going to update that. And first of all, I'm going to put a semicolon at the end. No wonder why that fails. Okay, and so we have our data source. This is the server right here. So right after the semicolon on the server, we're going to do fail over partner equals, and I can't remember what that server's name is, but I'm just going to make something up. I know it follows that. I think it's 002, and then we'll do dev 002. Okay, and then semicolon, and then you'll see initial catalog. Everything is the same except the semicolon at the end. Okay, now let's look at it. All right, there we go. So here's our data source. That's the server initial connection. If it fails over, mirrors basically, blam, that's where we're going to go to. And then of course we still have everything the same. So like I said, super fast video. This is very handy for like SSIS configuration tables. It's very helpful for SSIS configuration files. And anytime you have any type of mirroring, whether you're using C#, .NET, PowerShell, you name it, if you have it configured that way, this right here is how you go ahead and update your connection strings as well as in TSQL.